factory of 480. So 480, it can be written as 2 and 240. So 2 times 240 mean 480. 240, it can be written as 2 and 120. So 2 times 120 mean 240. 120, it can be written as 2 and 60. So 2 times 60 mean 120. 60, it can be written as 2 and 30. So 2 times 30 mean 60. 30, it can be written as 2 and 15. So 2 times 15 mean 30. 15, it can be written as 3 and 5. So 3 times 5 mean 15. So now we select the prime numbers among all these numbers. So prime numbers here is these all 2. So these all 2 are the prime numbers like as 3 and 5. So we can write 480 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these all 2. Like as this 3 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.